Hi kids, hope you're all doing wonderful. By the grace of the God, even we are fine. After a long gap, we have come to start up the classes today. As I given you the audio message, we'll have 2 classes a week, one on Tuesday and other on Friday. And I want all the students to submit their homeworks after 2 days. Like Tuesday will be the class and you need to submit the notes and all before Thursday. And Friday will be the class and you have to submit before Sunday. So every week you will have 2 classes. You have to attend both the classes, go through the video and do the classwork and homework properly. Okay. We have we were doing exercise 1.2 the last class. Now we are doing 1.3 today. In 1.3 we will be dealing with after numbers. Children, you know after numbers very well, like you have done it in PP1, PP2, class 1 also. So we will be doing after numbers. What are after numbers? The number which will occur after a number. Any number which occurs after a given number is called after number. It's very easy. You will do it very easily. I am giving you the first one. Pause. So the number I have taken is 121. So what is the after number to this number? It is nothing but 122. Very simple. We'll take some other one. We'll take 64. What is the after number for 64? It is 65. Okay. We'll take the other one. We'll take 136. So what is the after number for 136? It is 137. So in this exercise 1.3 we are dealing with the numbers from 200 to 300. So 200 to 300, it is in page number 64. Please turn your books to page number 64. There are after numbers. Please do those after numbers. I want you to copy these in your classwork. Please copy these in your classwork. Now I am doing the next one. Before numbers. Please write it down in the next page. Before numbers. Any number which comes before a given number is a before number. There is certain number and whatever number comes before that number is called a before number. Okay. Now the number which I am giving you is 179. So what is the before number for 179? It is 178. Because before 9 you will have 8. Okay. So we are taking it as 178. The before number for 115 will be 114 because before 5 you will get 4. So before 40 you will get 39. So these are before numbers. The same before numbers you will have in page number 64. Please do those before numbers also in your textbook. But I want you to copy this in your classwork. Is that clear, children? Have you done with after numbers and before numbers? If you are done with this, we'll go to the next one, that is between numbers. Okay? Okay, children, the next concept we are learning today is between numbers. I am going it very fast because you know after numbers, before numbers and between numbers from past 2 years. So I am not taking much time for this because if you practice more and more into these concepts, you will be very perfect. Understand? That's the reason I am going it very fast. Now we are dealing with between numbers. Between numbers are numbers which are between the two numbers. Between the two numbers. It will be between the before and after number. That's the reason it is called between number. So, what is a between number? Now we have 106 here. So, the next number will be 107. So, this is a between number. It is between after and before. Okay. The next number. So, it is 177. So, what is the next number? 178. Now it is 121. So what is the next number? 122. So these are the between numbers. You know this concept very well and you are well versed with these concepts. So please copy down between numbers in the next page. I want after numbers in one page, before numbers in one page and between numbers in one page. So please copy down between numbers also. Okay. Once you copy all these numbers like after, before and between, you have numbers from 200 to 300. See page number 64. Page number 64, 200 to 300. I want you to write these numbers in the textbook and also into your classworks. I want you to write down these numbers in your textbook and also in the classwork. Is that clear, children? So in one page after numbers, in one page before numbers, in one page between numbers, in the other page numbers from 200 to 300. Is that clear? Hope it is clear with all of you. Okay, I want you to copy all this into your classworks and also do the page number 64 from your textbook. Thank you, children. God bless you.